several concerns, and one of them was with the basically with the liquidity of our market and the trends that they were seeing around that time. We did put on the table a long-term plan that we had already was set with government and government backing also many of these initiatives. Changes were made in the tax regime that affected at that time. I mean, it was already set in the timeline, but again, it was addressed really quickly. And since we have been also working many initiatives related to market making, related to stock lending and promoting the market, corporate governance actions also, also calling on issuers to react a little bit more promptly to many of these initiatives, and we have been successful in turning around in terms of the activity in the market, and therefore the consultation process turned out successfully for us. We remain in the emerging market category, and so far things have been improving. We have added more names to the list of candidates that usually compose these indexes, and market is behaving really well. I think that we're in the process of probably incorporating even more names of companies to this, and we still have some, let's say, more initiatives in terms of reducing costs also for trading, mostly on focalizing in those, not just the large companies, but those large companies which also have proper corporate governance practices. So again, all this has really been perceived very positively by the market, and we feel very comfortable with remaining as an emerging market here in Peru. Originally, yes, there was a reaction, and there was definitely a slowdown during the process of all the impeachment that took place. I mean, it turned out to be a long process rather than just like a quick, and there were a couple of events basically in between. But yes, it hurt us at the beginning, but then the transfer really was very well taken by most of the not just local but also international actors in general. So again, we proved that we have a mature political system in which impeachment is part of the process of democracy, and the processes were properly followed, and the state of law prevailed, and that yes, we have a new president, pretty much that follows most of PPK's plan, which was for what they were elected, and so I think that people at the end have taken it positively.